Hello, beautiful divine creators. I am Kim Tabay, your host of There's an Art to Life. I'm so excited to be bringing this series back to you guys through my YouTube channel from my home studio. Art is such a beautiful, beautiful gift, and I want all of you guys to have that. And I want you guys to know that in this space of There's an Art to Life, I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of tools and tricks, and we get to paint some really inspiring paintings together. And in this space, not only do you get to learn how to paint, but you also get to learn that art is a powerful vessel and tool of divine wisdom in which you get to tap back into that creator within yourself. And I always love to say that art is not only painting on canvas, because if you could paint on canvas, what else can you create in your life? And that is what this gift is for you guys. So sit back. I'm here for the ride. Don't worry. I'm going to lead you guys into the right place. And so be kind to yourself and have fun and embrace your unique beauty as we go along on this journey. See you guys soon.